Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In the second part of our Sauerbraten recipe video, I will show you how to cook the meat and make the signature gravy. If you want to know how to marinate the meat, watch part 1 of this video series. You will find the link to the video in the description. After you have marinated the meat 5 to 10 days, you need to remove it from the marinade and pat it dry. Strain the vegetables from the liquid and set both aside. Melt the lard in a large pot. Then sear the meat on all sides. Add the vegetables and about 2/3 of the liquid back to the pot. Then stir in the honey and bring to a simmer. Simmer for about 2 hours covered on medium-high heat and turn the meat every half hour. Remove the meat from the pan and strain the vegetables from the liquid. Discard the vegetables and set the liquid aside. Melt butter in a pan, add the flour and brown. Deglaze with the liquid which you set aside earlier. Then salt and pepper to taste. Bring to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Add the meat back to the pot to keep warm until you serve it. Serve the Sauerbraten with a vegetable side dish and bread dumplings or Spätzle. Guten Appetit!